We need collective action with the sense of urgency. Every single minute matter, every single child matters, every single childhood matters here. So here Kailash Satyarthi, he is talking about the quick action. Sense of urgency means feeling with the quick action it is required there on the part of these children here. So he is talking from the point of view of every minute, every single child and every single childhood. They should not be skipped, okay, from saving them, from uplifting their condition. Therefore I challenge this passivity and pessimism surrounding our children. So he is challenging why we are so inactive, why we have the feeling of sadness that is surrounding these children. So I challenge this culture of silence, this culture of passivity, this culture of neutrality. Again he challenged the culture of silence, means the people, they are not raising their voice to uplift the condition of these children here. They are neutral means they are not showing any kind of feeling for these children. We must be bold, we must be ambitious, okay, we should have the ambition, and we must have the will, we must keep our promises here. So he's talking about if we are only that only the listening will not work here. We have to complete our promises, what we are making to ourselves after listening the voices of these children here. Over 50 years ago, on the first day of my school, I met a cobbler boy my age sitting outside the gate of my school. Now again he gave the experience of his childhood where he met a cobbler boy who was almost the age of Kailash Satyarthi when he was there in the school. I asked my teacher, why is he working outside? Why he is not with us in the school? So Kailash Satyarthi, see, in the very childhood, he raised this question to his teacher about the working of that child and not getting the education in the school. My teacher had no answer, but the teacher could not answer the innocence question of this child. One day I gathered the courage to ask the boy's father. He said, "Sir, I have never thought about it. We are born to work." So when he was not satisfied with the teacher, so he gathered the courage, okay, and asked the boy's father, why you are not sending your child to the school. So what was the response of the boy's father? That he never thought that he should send his child to the school even, and we are born to work here only. His answer made me angry. It still makes me angry. As a child, I had a vision for tomorrow, a vision of that cobbler boy sitting with me in my classroom. So see here what he got angry when the fathers told him so, that they are born to work, they are made for the work. Okay, so he got angry with that question. And see, as a child means since his childhood he had a vision for the tomorrow. When he asked this question to his teacher, why is he working outside, since his childhood he has this question in his mind. So he had a vision that the cobbler boy should sit with him in his classroom and get the education. Now that tomorrow has become today, his childhood time, now it is changed into today. Now he can do something. I am today, you are today. Today it's a time for every child to have a right to life, right to freedom, right to health, right to education, right to safety, right to dignity, right to equality, and right to peace. So these all type of right one person should have, not me and you, but each and every child of this world. They should have the right to life, to enjoy their life, to be free, okay, to enjoy a good health, to get education, to think about their safety and their dignity. And they are all are equal, and they all love the peace here. Okay, today beyond the darkness, I see the smiling faces of our children in the blinking stars. Today, in every wave of every ocean, I see my children are playing and dancing. Today, in every plant, in every tree and mountain, I see our children growing freely with dignity. So here he is talking about today. Okay, today, now is the time to raise the condition. So these children, they are smiling faces in the blinking stars. Okay, beyond the darkness means he wanted to uplift, and after that he wanted to enjoy the condition of these children, how they dance, how they play, and how they feel, how they feel free. Okay, like the trees and the mountains, I see the children growing freely with dignity. Okay, they have their own self respect. Friends, I want you to see and feel this today inside you. So he wanted to make others also feel about it.